and I'm Denise.
I'm Bill.
And the pups and Owen are in the back seat. And we are on our way to Lake Huron today. And we are going to check out a pathway that goes along the lakeshore. It's called the Huron Sunrise Trail. And we're going to also check out the beach along the way. And possibly end up at Hoeft State Park. Maybe, maybe not.
It's 71 degrees on November
8th.
And it's a beach day. Who would have thought?
Yes. So we're going to enjoy the weather while we have it because it's probably going to be snowing.
Yeah, I think Wednesday, 2 days from now, it's going to be in the 40s. So
yeah.
That's how we roll here in the Fresh Coast.
So in our previous video, we were at Lake Michigan on Fisherman's Island. So today we decided, since it's still nice out, we were going to head to another big lake and check that one out. We've been here before.
We drove by this.
Yeah.
Earlier, Father's Day this year, we shot over to the east side, and we kind of drove by this, and we noticed that it was a nice paved pathway, which is awesome for the stroller and the pups, and so we'll go check that out, see what kind of rocks we can find.
And
there's a limit.
Stuff. There's no limits. There is a limit, but I'm never going to reach that limit.
There's a state-imposed limit that she thinks she won't meet, but you probably had at least 5 pounds of rocks yesterday.
Oh, we can weigh them.
So we need to start weighing these.
But we have a whole new container today, so.
Yeah. So we're going rock hunting / beach day. I brought my swimsuit. I don't know if I'm going in or not, but we'll see.
We'll see how
we
warm
saw
the
people
water
swimming
is.
yesterday in Lake Michigan, so
I think they were crazy because that was a little chilly.
I mean,
yeah, it's pretty wavy. I wasn't really paying attention to the waves, and I was staring more at the rocks, and I got splashed a little bit.
yeah.
My pants were soaked by the end of the day. But today I have shorts on. Bad news about that, I don't have nearly as many pockets, but it will be okay.
Alright, we got Moose too. Say hi, Moose.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys at the beach.
There's no swimming today. I mean, I can't feel my feet. Yeah, no, that hurts.
Hey everybody!
Hi.
We're just wrapping up our little visit to Lake Huron,
Mm-hmm.
which is out that way. We'll show you in a minute.
Yeah.
We found this amazing pavilion here at Hoeft State Park. Pretty cool structure, stone and log.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we figured we'd show you the finds that Denise got.
Yeah, we found some pretty good rocks. Again, we don't know really what any of them are.
Found some fun fossils.
Yeah, we did find some cool fossils, so we'll show you here what they are, and then if you know what they are, if you let us know, we'd appreciate it.
Andy.
Because we're trying to learn, or I'm trying to learn.
We just call out Andy. He'll let us know. But yeah, so we'll check those out and we'll show you a little bit more around this place. Pretty cool.
I don't know if you can see those really good, but those are some of the fossils. Here we go. So those are the fun fossils that we found. And then I found some of these rocks with like stripes on them. Thought they looked pretty cool. And then here's some of these ones. I don't know what they were, or I don't know what they are. And here's some of the other ones. Again, don't know what they are, but they look pretty fun. Some of them had really distinct patterns when they were wet. And there's another fossil. This one I thought was fun because it had orange and then also had a little bit of red in it right there. And then I picked this one up just because I like the shape of it. And that was most.
Hey guys, so today we're kind of repping the Superhero 5K. This was put on by North Central Area Credit Union, which has a branch in Grayling where we live, and one of our friends works there. So we made a donation and signed up a team. Denise, myself, Amanda, Erik, and Casey, and we did our virtual 5K. So we just wanted to give a shout out to these organizations. We're going to link all this in the description. But the funds raised are going to support our local child assessment centers. So they help children who are in need due to abuse situations and others. So anyway, good stuff. Just wanted to give a quick shout out and thank them for everything they're doing, and thank our team for helping us out.
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye.